When it comes to controlling or planning your gas fire pit install, there's a lot of different options as far as the control system goes. The most basic is a match light system. So you simply turn a key valve by hand, it releases gas through the flex line up into the burner, which you also then light by hand. On the flip side of that, we also offer electronic ignition systems. So you're very likely to still have a key valve, still have the flex line, but the main difference is, in most cases, this is going to be on all the time. So we have gas going all the way up to this, but it's not coming out until we control it via the electrical power. So this one would plug into an outlet. There's also low voltage ones available in case it's easier to pull low voltage wires, or let's say you're by a swimming pool. But by controlling the power, it's going to do everything else for us. So the gas is on, as soon as that power, as soon as it's energized, then the gas will come out and it's going to light itself. And same with the shutdown, it's going to shut down itself as soon as that power goes away. So you can control it with it could be a light switch, it can be a timer. For commercial settings, it's very easy to wire in an e-stop for extra safety. On residential installs or commercial, you can also wire it into an automation system. So it does require a little bit more planning because we do need power at the fire pit location, but it's a lot safer, a lot more features, and you can control it all remotely.